body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas, whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just break me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just break me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you
All right, you guys, this is the final look. Let me stand up a little so you guys can see the hair. It is so beautiful, guys. Look at that curl pattern. I didn't put any products in the hair for real. I only sprayed it with some water, and I added some pink lotion. Used that, where is it? I think I put it away. Like the pink lotion brand has this like spray, like oil spritz sheen thing. So I just sprayed it on the hair so it can look wet, but it's really dry. Like it's completely dry, and the hair does get really big. But I wanted to kind of just show you guys the natural texture of the hair. I didn't want to add any products to it. It is super full. As y'all can see, it is super full. It is beautiful. It's super soft. Like, this hair was gorgeous. The lace on this wig is beautiful. It is a true HD lace. Get into it. We did the big B's, of course. Gotta do it. Gotta do it to them. But I love, love, love how it came out. I did slightly over bleach the knots, but I don't think you can really tell. Yeah, I don't think you can really tell. That's me personally. As far as me, I don't think you could tell, so I'm fine with it. I think it's so cute. So if you guys want to check out Yolissa hair and get into this water wave wig, you guys can go ahead and check my description box. Thank you, Yolissa hair, for sponsoring this video. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.